y'all. So I guess this the last day. We gonna see. Oh man. Dang on my place. It's my first time operating this. Open the door, man. Everybody can't even hear me. Okay, one more. Damn. Put the damn door open. Door. This damn thing ain't even working. Nope. I'll put the code in.
You gotta put it right here.
Damn. That gotta be fixed. I hate that sound. You got your light? It's nice and warm in here. Look through the window. Excellent. They gonna be done today. I don't think they're gonna be done today. Monday. Hey, what's up? What day they said they're gonna be done. That's gonna check the floor. What about the window? The window? Oh, you put that?
Fine or no?
Okay, yeah, what about this? Can we put it right here in all the windows again? All right, yeah, that's fine. Huh? So what would I have to do? Just, well, what else go right here? through here, and then what goes after the metal? What goes? So you say, okay, the metal, and then
Duraban.
what is it?
Duraban. Material. Pure.
What ask them what do we need? Nothing? Oh, we don't need everything's here? Alright.
Yo pure metal here no. It's good?
I mean, so after this, do we paint it?
Yeah.
So we're gonna paint it white?
Put it send it.
Cool. Yeah, that's fine.
One, no call you one?
What color?
No. One. No call you?
What, who? What? No, I every time I call him, he never answer. He never answer the phone. You probably got to call him.
How much you pay for this? The
I forgot, man. I forgot. You asked how much I pay for what?
¿Cuánto va a pagar él?
For the one?
Windows.
Ask her. Hey, he asked how much for the windows. How much can you do it for? How many windows we got? 8? How many windows?
This not right.
Yeah, this good. Yeah, you can fix it, go around it with that one. What do you think about this? Think you probably need to take this down?
No, but it's like, they put some stuff right here.
Yeah, what goes around this window?
It's like a
Okay, finish.
Oh, what's up? Yeah, he said now he want me to come downstairs. Yeah. So we gotta probably leave it on for a long time?
¿Cuánto, güey? ¿Cuánto?
Pues ya dijimos no cuánto.
Yeah, this window too. Where we go? Yeah, do that. Oh. It's got to add up.
And this too.
Yeah, that too, yeah. How much you'll do it? You tell me a number. How much you thinking?
Te da el número.
500.
I gotta ask her. Not found.
see.
Hey, yo.
How much you pay? How much?
Man, because I just paid somebody to fix that, bro. I don't really have it, man. Let me ask her. Let me talk to her upstairs. Oh, he said, how much, what's a decent price for all these windows? He said 5. That's what I'm asking you. Right, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm asking you. How much would you say? Hey, question. Can I ask you a question? What can we do for this right here? This wood.
Güey, ¿qué puedes hacer con esa madera, güey? ¿Qué puedes hacer con esa madera?
You got the foam? Is the foam here?
¿Qué puedo hacer?
Ya. ¿Con qué puedes taparla, güey?
Oh,
Oh, to cover it?
Yeah, cover it or anything. Yeah, what can we do? Yeah.
Sepa, Pacorilla.
Right one.
What'd he say?
Drywall.
Oh, drywall, yeah. Yeah. Put the drywall right there, man.
Right one.
Pero dile que eso no iba incluido en este trabajo.
Eh?
Oh, he said that it wasn't included with his work.
I know. I know, man. I'm not trying to cheat you guys or anything, man. So we got 8 windows.
Yeah.
What you want to talk about it more? We know that. So when can you do the windows? Like next, before you leave? Monday or Tuesday?
¿Cuándo? ¿Cuándo? Mañana.
Cause we probably got some time.
Mañana, si quieres.
See if we can do it.
Vamos a llegar.
Like 150, like one something.
Viene pregunta a la ventana.
He said tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Alright, y'all, so we got about another Mr. Heater. And we need to get another propane tank. But of course, I ain't got no tools to take it off, so she about to go to the store and grab the damn wrench or something so we can remove it and take it up to Menards. So they told us we gotta have it running. I'm thinking about spending the night. We gotta have it running, not all night, probably for like 3-4 hours. Actually, I'm gonna do it until it run out of the damn propane. And I'm gonna turn it off. But downstairs, it's freezing down here. Up here, it's good. So I really think we honestly just need it for downstairs. So yeah, man. I'm about to be doing these floors in a couple days. Yeah, we gotta get this going though. And also, I'm about to. Oh, damn! That's crazy. This damn thing feel like that. And also, I'm gonna put it around. Oh, this heat right here. Also, I'm gonna reach out to this guy. I did meet him next door to start putting a towel in the bathroom, though. I'm gonna just run it. Probably put like 3 right here, and then just put it in the shower. And I'll have to go on the wall like the last house. The last house I turned up. Like I had it going everywhere. But for this one, nah. But we good though. And then also, I'm gonna put put some towel right here too. So the cabinet's gonna be from right here to like right here. I'm gonna put the backsplash from like right here. Start from like right here. So let's see. That's what I was trying to buy. She was being cheap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like 7 or 8. Gonna go right across there. I gotta clean out this tub though. This is a good tub, man. I was gonna throw it away. Everybody was like, man, this is a good, man. Keep that tub. It's coming together, y'all. It's coming together. Let me feel it. All right, that's dry. That's extra dry. They said it'll start cracking if it ain't dry. But I'm gonna holler at y'all when she get back though. All right though, y'all. So we just got back from the show. This damn thing is hard as hell to take off. Hold that door, hold that door.
You just told me to go in.
I told you to go in.
Yeah, I know you was coming right in.
This the hard part, man. Oh, I don't blow my stuff up.
They got it on the base.
Okay, can I connect it up here though?
No, that's wrong.
Why? She's scared.
You can go on this.
Man, is it off? Is it off? What they say, right is tight. Ha. I need to bottle my own water. Houston, we have a problem. It's not working, buddy. Hey, buddy. God damn it. I hate stuff like this, man. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all. Got that in there. Probably tighten it up a little bit. I'm trying to record and do all that extra stuff now. Alright. Hook it on the Mr. Heater. Hook it on the Mr. Heater. I know this should go right up in there. Okay. Damn. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute, man. Yeah, all the lights just blew. Yeah. Oh, guess what? I think we had it hooked up with that light. I don't think so. You coming? No, listen, grab this right here.
You are gonna pull it up right in the middle of it. And see, they have that extension cord and everything, but it's so short.
So how the hell am I gonna do it?
You know, these. That's gonna blow up. You gotta do exactly how they had it.
Whew, God damn, that thing heavy.
How gonna be it?
Alright.
This doesn't come back on?
I thought you plugged up the heaters.
Bro, no, I just don't know
What's she on? Ah, damn. Yeah, it's freezing down here, man. What you mean now what? Huh? What's going on? Why is it? Wait, what the hell? Did you spill some damn water?
You think I should come off one by one before you do all this?
Hold on, wait, don't plug that up yet. So we gonna, yeah.
You have to plug this up first.
I ain't trying to get this damn thing uploaded.
Huh?
You like, you scared to fuck it up.
Bro, you saw I got shocked upstairs. You did nothing. You scared.
Yeah.
So how you gonna say I'm scared?
Nah, I ain't scared, but damn.
You are. I already got shocked up and keep getting shocked.
Alright, it's plugged up.
Now turn it on from over there. Right. Turn it on.
Hey, nah, look though, I don't know if it's all the way in.
No, it's not all the way
Oh,
in.
you got the, so why would you take it out?
Man, you sure you can consider yourself a man? Like, why are you scared? Ain't nothing funny.
Eric! Turn that on. That's the gas. Let's turn it a little bit. Wait.
Is it coming out?
No. Stop. All right, look. Turn it off. Turn this off.
Yeah, I'm plugging to turn it off.
For real?
Yeah, when I turn it off.
All right, unplug it. All right, cool. I'm just trying to make sure. I mean, it's open.
Is that on there tight? Not super tight.
You think we should scratch the cords out? That should be fine. You can't turn it down though?
It's just the lowest. You can play low, high. Is it blowing?
It's going. Do it again. There you go. Yes, sir. Fire it all. Fire.
I might be goofy.
Where at? Like right here? Fire in the hole. Why you keep saying fix it? Man, we got this damn thing working. Man, look at the thing jumping. See it's moving. I'll say turn it on low. Oh Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
So watch out.
This is down.
It should tell you. And normally when it blow,
Yeah, it didn't do that.
shit, why you ain't just turn everything on and off? All right, watch
Don't
out.
do that because that's going. Don't do that.
Because it's going, what
Try
you
this
mean?
side. Turn that propane thing up before you get the hurt sitting up hitting the whole breaker. Don't do that.
You say what?
Turn that whole thing up before you get this
Off?
whole breaker. Yes, off. That's
Why
why I told
though?
you fix upstairs first.
Just unplug everything upstairs. That's all you have to do.
It is unplugged. I'm
So,
not,
what?
just don't do it. I was turning this
I know what I'm
propane thing
doing.
off.
I think something came on.
No, you turning it off.
Oh, that was probably this one.
Now turn it on. Don't touch this right hand side. Okay, that's down here. Now let's go check.
Just tell me. Ooh-wee! Fire in the hole! Feel good. Oh yeah, we gotta just put a piece of drywall right there. Fire in the hole! Is it on? What'd you say? Yeah. I told you. Damn, it's already hot down here. We might have to get another one though before we leave. But all right, y'all. What is this? We need to have this in the middle. Oh no, that's right. All right, y'all. We about to let us. Yeah, hold on before I get out the camera. So this whole time, what you was doing?
Why you keep asking me that?
Oh.
Downstairs fixing the other stuff. It's like it was Thursday.
Is it working? What?
Here, I told you about that. I film you. I don't want you filming me. Here.
Just put it down. Are you talking crazy?
Oh, because I told you I don't want you to interrupt me. You don't listen.
What you need?
I need some, a bag or something.
What you need a bag for? Just sit it on this box.
No, I asked you. No, be back in.
You said a bag.
I give you myself.
We probably should have got another Mr. Healer. I don't know if that's gonna work. But up here's pretty much done though. Well, dry. Go check on my baby down here. Check on my baby downstairs. She gonna be up here. I'm gonna be downstairs. We ain't selling this house though, y'all. Put some marshmallows on this motherfucker. Can't believe that shit really worked though. Oh, I smell it. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute though. We gonna probably put the other one like right up in here. What they was in? Damn. Oh, you can go right there. It's crazy.
Yeah, we just chilling.
What's today? Saturday. I don't think they're gonna come. Well, they say they're gonna come tomorrow. We don't think they should come tomorrow. It's cool up here. So what you thinking? You need another Mr. Heater?
But I don't think it's right because it's gonna be so cold.
So go on ahead and go grab it.
You know you need that and the propane. I guess you know that. I'd rather grab a paper.
So you honestly, when you came from downstairs, you feel like it's cool, but the heat rises.
Right, but for you, it's a difference down and up. It's not cold. And I feel like this is dry. They had this upstairs, and they had that upstairs the whole time.
How much you pay for this? How much you pay for this?
This was 40.
Man, you could have got the Mr. Heater.
But,
If you spent for, you just had to put another what, 60?
yeah, but this thing is 100 grand plus the propane 70.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like 200.
Yeah, that's almost doing now. So what we gonna do? When that run out, just bring that up here. But I feel like it's good for right now. I ain't gonna really. I'm gonna go outside and come back in and see it. And see if I can feel a difference. I ain't got no $200. It's ugly. I'll be back. See if it's different. It's kind of cool outside. But I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute though.
Let me see. I've been out here for like 5 minutes.
Oh man, it's warm up here. I'm chilling. Come on. Sit on. Come right here. Come on. All right, y'all. We about to take these back to the store. I'm not gonna say it's not working. We just want it. We want this room to heat up faster. So we about to run that back up there. Grab another propane tank. Gotta go. But in the basement is really, it's working. I turned it on low. So as soon as you walk downstairs, you feel the heat. So be good. Hey, wait, man, I'm gonna paint all this. What is that? Y'all don't see it, man. It's gonna go hard. I got a trick for this utility room, man. It's not gonna look the same when I'm done with it. So I'm gonna tap in with y'all when we head back here. Y'all, we about to set the Mr. Heater up. What's he doing, man? I could be doing this. Oh, it came with the hose?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'll show you in the box. Look, it says it comes with the gas hose and regulator included.
Oh, okay, cool. For the people who watching this, man, I highly recommend one of these things, though. They work for real. So now I know how to hook it up. It ain't gonna take me long to do that. Oh, for real. I was fumbling with the other one.
Yep.
Oh, man.
Oh yeah. What happened? Oh, is it a certain way you want to open it?
Yeah, but they got that little bitty thing.
Damn, we could probably got to sit it on that box.
Grab the box.
Probably sit it on that one.
This one, the one thing.
Oh no, look, just sit it on this little thing right here. That's probably put it on the other one. Yep. Damn. Oh, it worked.
Yeah, but this thing is chocolate.
Man, be careful, man.
Let me show you something.
Yeah, put this right here.
Yeah, let me show you something. Just tighten this a little bit.
So you tighten it up more?
Just a little bit. Go right. This way. You should feel it tight now.
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't gotta have it super tight.
Okay.
Alright, well, let me turn it on.
Wait. You done.
No, you gotta turn. You gotta plug it up.
I did that last time.
You want me to plug it up?
Plug it up, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not even on. It's gonna be the fan.
Right, that's what I'm saying. We got to plug it up and then turn this
I don't
on.
think you scared of me.
Oh, I'm not.
You are.
Gangster.
You're not.
Gangster, good. Boom!
Don't do that. Why would you do that?
Come on, man. You feeling up?
They're coming out. You gotta do that.
It's on? Look, turn it again. I was gonna tell you to turn the knob again.
This all the way turned. You probably did.
Remember how you did it last time?
This is on. You gotta turn your thing.
It's on. I think you like, yeah, it's on. Do it again. Yep. Thank you. Hey, listen, you probably don't want to turn it up high. You probably should keep it on low. Let me check on the one downstairs. I don't know. See, this ain't no Mr. Heater, but this worked too though. This is a regular thermometer. Shout out to the work lights. We got these from Home Depot. Alright, y'all, we just chilling. We gotta get up here warm. I'll tap in with y'all in a minute. We about to go. That's when we just about to unplug it. Been over here 4 hours. This will be nice and dry now. Tired. Just unplug it. No, unplug it.
You don't have to be okay. You turn this off? That's off, right?
Yep.
Man, I don't want to.
You scared to unplug it?
I don't want to unplug it because I mean, it's on.
Oh, you know, you want to just hit the fuse? Huh? When you turn that off, just hit the fuse box. You gotta come over here in the morning. You gonna run it for another like 4 to 5 hours. And that's it. They gonna come Monday and sand all this shit. Excuse my French. They gonna sand all this stuff, man. Nice and dry now. I ain't going downstairs. Are you good? Yes, ma'am. So just turn the box off.
Sure.
Yes. Remember, just that first at the top. Yep.
Should we put this in the room? Or?
Nah, we okay.
You sure?
Yep. Come on, hurry up. I don't want the heat to come out. All right, y'all. That's the end of this vid, man. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm gone.